Finally, the carrot season is upon us, and this is by far my best recipe for carrot and walnut cake. I mean, look at them, how beautiful and gorgeous they look. You've got to try this. It's super easy, super simple, and you can make it with one hand tied at your back. Trust me, it's that easy. It's squidgy, it's soft, it's delicate, it's beautiful, it's packed full of fruit, and it cuts like butter. Trust me, you got to give it a try. Look at that, how gorgeous it is. Let's go and make it. Go on, what's stopping you? So let's start. First of all, I'm taking my dry ingredients, which is basically plain flour and a few spices. Don't worry, the list of ingredients is given below in the description box. I have grated about 1/4 of a nutmeg. And now moving on to the wet mix, which is basically light brown sugar, eggs and olive oil. I'm using light olive oil, which is absolute beauty. Once the sugar is dissolved, add the flour in 2 batches. Add your grated carrots, mixy, and in goes the rest of the ingredients, which is walnuts, and I have got some raisins and also some crystallized ginger to bring that extra zing into that cake. Now you can either bake it in a 2 pounds tin, large tin, or as I'm doing it, I'm baking into 8 small cupcakes or basically loaf cakes. Now you can dress it with the cream cheese frosting or any frosting of your choice, and it's all good to go with your tea or coffee. But